treat? A treat, Cracker? You want a treat? Come on. Is that yummy? Cracker. Is that yummy? You like that treat? Hey, is that good? Why are you still licking your mouth? You want another treat? If you quit licking your mouth, I'll give you another treat. Is that a good puppy today? Hey, if you quit licking, I'll give you another treat. Okay, good. Oh, no, you're licking again. Quit licking, I'll give you another treat. Oh, you're licking again. Who is that? There, kitty under the bed right there going to sleep. Quit licking, I'll give you a treat. Okay, you gotta quit licking or you can't get a treat. Okay, be good doggy. Mama love you.